Okay, so we left off here last time working on the scroll. Since then, I have gone ahead and drawn out the mold that we're going to cut today. So I've drawn out the design for the mold that I want to cut here. I've put in some text, and then I went ahead and just quickly extruded this body from it. Now if we get rid of these other sketches and canvases, then we can take this over to the CAM workspace. And very simple CAM setup I've got for this one. So I've got a trace operation for the text and the center line, contour for these inner contours. Looks like there's only one real issue, and that's with this little block that's going to be left in here, so I just have to make sure that it's attached well to the CNC bed. I'm doing a little pre-bore on these block cutouts, and those are just for clearance when I'm gluing in the blocks here. And then finally a contour, and that's it. So let's look what that looks like all together. Okay, so that's how we have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and post-process this G-code and get it transferred over to the machine, and we'll be out there to cut some chips. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Two Cherries Instruments. We build musical instruments the modern way with Fusion360, modeling, CNC machines, and all that really fun stuff. So if you like what you see here, definitely subscribe, definitely like and share those videos. Press the bell, press the buttons over there and here and over there and over, yeah. Anyways, today we're back working on the violin. We're finally out in the shop. We've been doing a lot of drawing. We got that outline drawn, we got the F-holes drawn, we got the scroll drawn, then we drew the mold, we modeled that mold, and we post-processed the G-code out, so we're out here to cut that. I've got a piece of rough stock all joined up here for that part. We're gonna cut this stock to its final dimensions, get it on the CNC machine, and cut it out. Well, we got this stock cut out to thickness. You might be asking yourself why I went to such lengths to get this to such precise dimensions. CNC machine is very picky about the Z-axis dimension, so in order to get a nice clean cut all the way down to the bed, I wanted to make sure the material was exactly 1/2 inch is what I'm going for here. I also did the finish sanding on it with the hand sander just because it's going to be a lot easier than once I got all those contours on it. So it's time to get this on the CNC machine and cut it out. So I just finished this up with a little bit of coconut oil, and then I followed that up with a little bit of coconut oil blended with beeswax. That'll protect it from any glue or anything that might get on it. It'll also keep it nice and conditioned. So it looks fantastic. I'm really excited about it. I can't wait to start building this one. So we'll see you next time. Remember, like, subscribe, and comment, please. Thank you.